Morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Rekshan Adrian Marsilia, and the topic that was assigned to me is Geotechnical Engineering based on skills and expertise. So, let's begin. We begin with, sorry, hindi mo in Geotechnical Engineer, the engineer studies soil foundation and bearing capacities. The engineer will study the behavior of the earth materials and how they will affect a structure that is to be constructed. They will also evaluate pre-existing structures that are showing signs of problems with the earth material under or near the structure. So basically, the geotechnical engineering is from the word geotechnical, which means it refers to the earth. Next slide. Major specialties mine. There are two major specialties in geotechnical engineering. First is mining engineering, the exploration, extraction, and processing of raw materials from the earth. So, yun ang mga trabaho ng mining engineering. Foundation engineering, the engineering of below ground foundation that support superstructure. So sila yung mga tumatrabaho ng pundasyon para sa mga superstructures o mga high buildings. What are some geotechnical engineer duties? So basically, geotechnical engineers consider the soil, rock, and water tables of an area, determining factors such as stability, future erosion, settlement, all in the service of recommending the best and safest ways to construct everything from houses to high rises or to high interchanges. So sila yung nag-study sa earth o kung pwede bang mag-construct ng building sa location na gustong tayuan. And to become a geotechnical engineer, you will need first an investigative mind and problem skills, and second, a methodological approach to research. Third, the ability to explain your findings and give advice clearly and concisely, including in written reports. So basically, in geotechnical engineer, you will need good teamwork skills to work alongside other geologists and engineers. Next is computer skills to model ground conditions, analyze sample results, and produce reports. So, as what I have said kanina, na sila yung nagche-check sa ground conditions and ina-analyze ang mga sample results, and sila yung nag-produce ng reports sa kumpanya para kung pwede bang tayuan ng building ang isang lugar. So next is you have a strong math skills. So kailangan talaga na kung maging geotechnical engineer is marunong ka talaga sa math. Lastly, willingness to work outside in all types of weather and to travel to site investigations including the other countries. Dito sa last is kailangan na ready yung katawan mo sa mental mo and physical health sa all types of weather na puntahan mo along the sites na dapat nyong puntahan kung saan yung gusto nyong patayuan ng buildings. Last slides ata. Geotechnical analysis or surface exploration includes geophysical methods, photogrammetry, geologic mapping, and or simple observational measures to analyze the physical conditions of a location. Surface exploration can include geologic mapping, geophysical methods, and or it can be as simple as geotechnical professional walking around on the site to observe the physical conditions of the site. So as what I have said kanina, palaging chine-check ng geotechnical engineer kung pwede bang tayuan ang isang location na ganitong kataas na building o kung hanggang ano lang yung kaya sa isang lupa. Here's how geotechnical analysis is used on geotechnical engineer resumes. First of all, perform geotechnical analysis and foundation designs for plants housing heavy machinery that generate vibration, oil tanks, and related industrial structures. Second, evaluate feasibility of using a newly developed seismic receiver for low-cost seismic refraction analysis for seismic reflection studies and geotechnical analysis. Third is carried out various geotechnical analysis and soil sample test for soil identification and classification. Fourth is perform geotechnical analysis on repository design for the nuclear waste repository Yucca Mountain project. And lastly, perform geotechnical analysis and study to assess construction site condition. So that's all, and thank you for listening.